Hey everyone, I just got this wireless door chime that I'm super excited about. I got it to put on my front door so then I know when my son goes outside and comes back inside. It does have 58 different sounds that you can use on it, which I think is really awesome that it can be customizable to what you might want to listen to when your door opens. The wireless range on this is 600 feet, so it'd be perfect for even an office, or if you have a bigger home, even out in the garage. It could really work out there too. You can also add different receivers, which are these little pieces here that you put on your door or your window. You could add different ones to the receiver so you can have more than one. There are 5 different sound levels for the wireless door chime. You can adjust it right here on the side. There's also an LED light indicator for when the alarm or for when the bell goes off.
Pairing the wireless chime bell is easy. All you have to do is hold down the volume key until you hear a chime. Pressing the up and down key allows you to pick the kind of chime that you would like to use.
So I installed the wireless door chime right here on my screen door. It lines up right here together. So now every time my door opens, I'll be able to know, and you'll be able to hear it. So I know if somebody's coming in, I know if somebody's coming out. My son has a tendency to run in and out of the front door a lot, to go outside and play. So now I'll be able to hear him when I'm upstairs in my office that he's come back in or gone back outside. So yeah. It's loud enough. Like I said, you can adjust the volume of it. It has 5 different levels on the volume, which I think is great because I can still hear it upstairs. So yeah, great product. I'm super excited about it. I highly recommend it. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks so much for watching.